Okay, so for creating a bay window, something like this, what you want to do is, so I'll start from scratch here, and I'll start from a square room shape. So say you've already got the approximate kind of dimensions of your overall space. So say that's your approximate rectangle, and then we've got a bay coming out of this side here. You click on your wall, you want to click on the plus icon, then add a corner, same up here. So if you think of these as the kind of returns that are flat into the room, and then what we're building out now are the points that we need to then move to create our bay. So something like that and that. Now, if you've measured the width already of your central window of the bay, you can enter that number directly here. But what you'll find is that will push out your sides. So we recommend dragging your corners to kind of get the shape right in the first place. And then using the keyboard can always help you kind of enter specific, get to a specific number. And yeah, that's how you would plan a bay window. And of course you can add then your windows from the menu. So you go to the add item menu, windows, and then you can choose your window style and go from there, planning the rest of your room.